Hey everyone, this is the Finishing Lab, and today what we have up for sale is an amazing machine. This thing is an original LE9000EX Express with an ICE9000. This machine, as I hear, is one of the last 9000s ever sold through Santinelli. The machine is very, very clean. I'm going to go through it with you guys real quick, but this is going to be a great find and a great buy. You're looking at an LE9000, or excuse me, an ICE9000. And this ICE9000, if you've read about them, this is an LED model, so the bulb will never have to be changed. So it's a very great machine. The EX Express, this is the very last model of the LE9000 before they discontinued it and moved up to the LE1000. This is an NT model, so this does not have the tracer inside. This will have the tracer over here. With this system, you're also going to get the manuals and both of the briefcases with a extra stage and two covers for the tracer, or excuse me, the edger and the blocker. So real quick, I just want to go over and just show you guys the initialization on the ICE9000. And if we come down here, you're going to see that LED is nice and bright. So there we are. And what I'm going to go ahead and do while we're doing this is just go ahead and throw in the tracer, the 162.83. And as that traces, go ahead and initialize this system, the LE9000EX. And you're going to see just how amazing this machine is. I mean, it's probably the cleanest 9000 I've ever seen. It has completely gone through my lab, so I was able to get it much cleaner. But you'll see that everything from the LMU is nice and clean, the chuck, the safety bevel assembly, the wheels, nice and shiny. So very, very nice. All the buttons look good. Let's go ahead and open the cover so you can see this, because this is where it really shows that this machine's just in perfect condition. So everything's been cleaned in here. You can see probably just maybe one minor water leak inside the chamber. All new water lines have been put in. Just very, very good condition. So back over here real quick, let's run through and just hit the data set button, and we'll see the tracer is nice and on size, 162.83.84, so it's 1/100th of a millimeter off, so not too bad. But let's go ahead and take this out and trace a frame. And we're going to go ahead and run this job down. And we'll go ahead and block a lens. So while this traces, I'm going to get a block ready and be right back. Alright, so sorry about that. So we're back. So here's all the data. And we're just going to go ahead and, if you've never seen a ICE9000, very simple. It's just touchscreen. You're going to enter in your PDs or your OC heights. This one does have the lensometer built into it, so you're just going to enter the axis of this lens. You're going to enter in all of your parameters, so if this is a CR39, which it is, a single vision lens, which it is, and we're going to go ahead and change this from a metal to a plastic frame, and we can either polish or non-polish it, and safety bevel or non-safety bevel. And this machine also has the function for soft grind mode. Soft grind mode, it's going to transpose over here, and when the soft grind mode comes over here, it's going to slow the machine down and just make it run a little bit smoother for those super slippery ARs. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and take it off. We're going to go ahead and slide our lens in here, and you'll see me put it in the tray. And all you do with this blocker is you're just going to simply turn that green square green, or the red square green. You're going to see it's reading the prescription and it's lining it up on what axis you've put it in, but it's actually going to turn it to what axis you want it on. So it's going to be blocked at 72 degrees axis. So we'll go ahead on here and we're going to go ahead and hit our block button. And it's going to ask us to block, and we're going to go ahead and block. And you'll see that block is going to rotate to 72 degrees. And over it comes. And then it's ready to go. So take off the lens. It's going to ask for the left eye, but what we're going to do is, as you see, we've blocked the right eye. We're going to go ahead over to the edger, and we're going to call up this job. So we're going to go to job number 1 and data set. Now this is going to communicate over. So as you can see, everything is brought up 62 PD. All of our parameters, we're going to polish the edge. We're going to add a safety bevel to it. So it's pretty much all ready to go. We're just going to take our lens, stick it right in the edger, chuck it, and hit start. And we'll run through and watch this LMU come down and look how fast that is. So this is the Express model, so much faster than the normal model. Go ahead and take the frame out of here while that finishes up. This system is going to come with a direct water system. Right now we're hooked up to a pump system. So if you have a pump system, this will hook up to your pump system. But as of right now, it is going to be included with a direct water system. The pliable block, it's set up for a pliable block system, but you'll have to look at the post for sale, how this will be sold. I'm not sure if we will be including block system with it or not. So it's something that we'll take a look at, but you will get all the accessories for it and the edger. And most likely the blocker will be sold at a separate sale, so you can just add it together and buy both of them. But this is just an amazing setup. And we'll go in and now it's going to safety bevel. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and unchuck it and grab our lens. And there we are. And it should fit nicely right into this frame. Excuse me. Well, I try to do this with one hand, but obviously I won't be able to mount it. But you can see the fit is just perfect. So if you have any questions, you can email us at info@thefinishinglab.com. Thanks for taking a watch, and if you're interested, give us an email. And make sure you look at some other videos for calibration tracing. Also, we're going to have some new videos up for LMU calibration, and just some other informational videos coming up on YouTube. Thank you much.